So I have two NVRs. I have my wireless setup for the exterior, and then I have my 8-channel NVR PoE. I just got a new 5MP PTZ camera. You can see the interface for the app is really cool. You can scroll or pan right and pan left. You can zoom in. Zoom's pretty cool. Takes a minute to focus in, but once you do that, it's real nice. And while you're zoomed in, you can also pan left or right, as well as down. If you find a spot you like, you can mark it, set a location. I already have a couple in there, so you can add it in, and then if you want to, you can delete it out. It remembers the location of the camera plus the zoom setting. I have two. I have home, which goes to the back of the boat, and then I have the Queen Mary afterwards. So it's nice to just be able to hit that and go right to where you want to see. So you can see here there's home, and then to the right for Queen Mary, it's that way. You can also, again, pan down. I have solar panels. If I wanted to check on those or pan to other parts of the boat, I can do that. And then if I always want to, I can just hit the button and it takes me right back to my main location.